What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. Slightly. See if that fixes it a little bit. All right, we sound a little bit better. What's going on, y'all? About to wait a couple minutes, then we're gonna start breaking some of this stuff down. Appreciate y'all that already hit the like button. Make sure to like the stream as y'all hop up in here. And a special congrats to those that is still in Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke all-time highs and is doing beautiful right now. All right, we've been breaking this down literally since Q2. We go down back memory lane, right? If y'all was following along since the summertime and y'all enter that 54,000 like we was talking about, and just Google how much you would be up if you would have put in, it doesn't matter if it was $100, $200, whatever, at 5,000, how much you would be up right now. If y'all missed that entry setup, we'll talk about the next entry setup. Imagine how much you'd be up if you enter that 62,000 or even 70,000, right? Make sure to check out this week's analysis as well. But if it continues to do what it's doing as it did last time on this higher, we could see 120,000 get hit easily before the year's over. But we still got to take it day by day and see how price is this week, this month. All right, y'all. If y'all was in the live yesterday as well, y'all could have been able to catch this huge gold setup. Gold went absolutely crazy, y'all. Gold went absolutely crazy. It barely in stop loss too. I might make this into a trade round, but we was talking about gold since Sunday night. If y'all checked out the Sunday chart analysis, y'all could have caught a nice gold move on Monday, as well as Tuesday and yesterday, right? So we're going to be looking for continued sells. We're either going to be looking for price to retrace back up to 25.82 to see if that can hold as resistance and look for sells, or price can break 25.52 and hold that as resistance. We could continue sells going to 25.25. That's what we're looking at right now, y'all. Majority of the other charts are still kind of consolidating and arranging. I don't really like how they're looking besides the USD pairs. USD pairs have been moving kind of nicely. Y'all know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We can use charts, drop them in the chat. We can see possible GU sells as well. Again, gold and the USD pairs as far as GU EU have been dumping literally all week. GU also just hit this key price level, which is a strong support level right here at 26.90. So if they can break a whole 26.85 as resistance, we can look for sells, or reject this level and retest 27.35, and if it holds that as resistance, we can look for sales going back down to here and possibly down to 26.50. All right, so we're going to be looking for sales there. Went live with the news yesterday during the news. We got news today as well. 8:30 USD news. We have 3 p.m. USD news and 4 p.m. GBP news. We'll keep those times in mind. And of course, we got news tomorrow as well. Might see what this next 15 looks like. All right, new 15 just popped up. Those just joined the stream. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Now, I am still currently holding this gold position. I have this nice in profit. Go be looking for another position. I have not got whipped out of this yet. But again, yesterday's position, well, not really yesterday, it was Tuesday's position. It's another example why you want to hold to SRT gets hit. Now, I personally got wicked out the first day after price rejected this level twice. I got wicked out and then re-entered yesterday, like we saw during the London session live yesterday. But we go to the actual signal. This is an old trade, by the way, so nobody took this setup. I'm just showing you the trade. So we took this trade on the 12th. You can see we entered this during the live stream. We broke this down and entered during the live stream. You see the SL, you see the entry, see the TPs. Saw how TP7 got hit and then rejected. And then the next day, price dumped and it surpassed all TPs, as you can see. And right now it's at a nice 1-to-5, well, 1-to-4 risk-reward ratio, which means whatever I risked times that amount. So if it's $100, about $400, or $1,000, about $4,000 off this one trade alone. Go be looking for continued sales. If price can break and hold 25.52 as resistance, we can look for continued sales going to 25.25. Now, if it can't break this level and it retraces, we can also look for potential sales from 25.58 going back down as well. And then we're also going to possible GU sell setup here. And again, it has been dumping all week, and it did just hit a key price level. We're really watching to see if it can hold this level as resistance. Again, we do have a nice drop from here. But again, last time we had bearish momentum. This was the spot and the key price level that price hit that caused a rejection and reversal. So again, we just got to keep that in mind. We just got to keep that in mind. I can see it's kind of just been consolidating a range in here for the past few hours. I'll just see what it does. Again, hit that first link in the description and watch the Sunday chart analysis. You'll see a lot of charts that have been going as projected. Again, the Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what I see price doing throughout the entire week. All right, we're on a huge win streak right now. As far as how we did last week, I'm in the advanced play signal room, so I'm tripping. I was like, that does not look like the Sunday chart analysis. There we go. All right, so this Sunday chart analysis right here, right? If you watch this, right? But this is how we did last week. Last week we went 4-0. It was 100% win rate. The week before that, we went 4-0 as well. The week before that, we went 3-0. So we're on like a 10 or 12 trade win streak. I got to count it. I haven't counted it in a minute. But we haven't taken a loss since last month so far, right? And if you scroll down to November 1st, you can see how we ended last month, October. We went 15-1, giving us a 94% win rate, catch a total of 14,935 pips. Again, you go to November 1st, you can check this out yourself. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the month. All wins and losses are posted. You can also see how we ended quarter 3. We'll go over that in a little bit. You see screenshots of the trade, screenshots of the signal. We do the recap of the day at the end of the day, recap of the week at the end of every week, as well as recap of the month at the end of every month. And you can see again at the beginning every week we drop the Sunday chart analysis. We send the link out every time we go live, all that good stuff. And if you go to subscribers and then you go to photos, there's over 1,000 photos, 2 going on 3 years receipts of screenshots, positions, screenshots of trades, as well as student results and testimonials. So make sure to check all that stuff out, y'all. Just dropped a video for y'all earlier as well as the Bitcoin weekly analysis. Got a video for y'all, if not today, tomorrow as well. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. Yeah, we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Make sure to like the stream and subscribe. We're almost at 2,900 subscribers. We can get to that easily. I do like how this is looking right here, so I want to see how this can close. Let's see how this can close, because again, it's been dropping on this week, so it can very much still try to retrace after hitting this level. Even though it's done some minor retracements, we still don't see a green candlestick giving this a lower high. So you just got to keep that in mind. Right, every trade we take, you should understand what needs to happen for price to go up and what needs to happen for price to go down. And once you understand that, again, that eliminates a lot of the shock, surprises, or confusion when you're on the charts, because again, you understand fully all the possible outcomes and possibilities with the setup and trade, and you're mentally prepared for it, but you're also all ready to accept it as well, which is very important. I don't like how that's looking right there. Let's see how this next 15 looks like. New 5 minutes about to pop up. U15 is about to pop up again. We got a few news events today. We got 8:30 USD news, 3 o'clock news, 4 o'clock GBP news. So keep those times in mind, y'all. Make sure to keep those times in mind. Yeah, look how this is looking here. Yeah, I'm liking this right here. So we're in this right now. I just typed the signal up. We entered it around 2675, 2680 price range. Again, if it can hold 2685 as a resistance, we could look for sales going to 2640 and possibly down to 2610. Now again, like we saw before, it might not break both of these levels. It might try to retrace. So keep an eye on your charts and don't let this win turn to loser. Because again, there's a few things we got to understand. Like we was talking about before. Before you take a trade, you got to understand the market conditions and all possible outcomes. So not only has it done a big drop, but it's also at a level of traffic and just broke a key price level. And it also we haven't seen a green candlestick or a higher low come in yet. So that can possibly happen today as well. But as of now, we're going to see what this does right here. Gold's still kind of chilling right here. GJ still chilling as well. It's been stuck here since Monday. Well, since Friday last week. All right, so a lot of charts are kind of just been stuck in place, which is why we haven't been looking at a bunch of charts. There's no reason to look at a bunch of charts that are still consolidating and ranging, which is why we'll only be looking at a handful of pairs this week. Let's see if we can break this level here. New up. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Look any charts, drop them in the chat. Yeah, I appreciate that, Hoodie. You think gold is going to keep falling? Is due for a reversal? Yeah, it's due for a reversal. So that's what we was talking about a little bit earlier. So I'm still going to look for sales, but that's why we're waiting to see if price can break this next level. So if gold cannot break and hold 25.50, 25.52 as resistance, it could try to retrace back into 25.84, even 26.10. So that's why we're just watching to see if it can break and hold itself as resistance. But yeah, it can definitely retrace, and it's due for retracement. I wouldn't really call it a reversal. I'd call it a retracement, right? Because a reversal means that the trend's close to changing, right? I wouldn't say that, right? I'd say it's due for retracement. And again, kind of similar to GU, we're at a strong support resistance level right here. So again, we can see a possible retracement before we see the next push down, because just like with GU, it has been dropping literally since Monday, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, right? So it's literally been dropping. It's done a huge lower low all this week, so it can very much so try to retrace as high as 2608. Nice explanation. Thanks. No problem. No problem. New 5 minute just popped up. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. All right, GU pushing nicely. Let's see if we can hit this first PP. We're just right next to TP1. Let's see if we can. We'll be on for a little bit longer. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop them in the chat. We're a few pips away from hitting TP1. Yeah, we just missed it. So we're still gonna be holding this, y'all. Again, we got a few news events today. Not gonna be going live with the members during today's news, most likely tomorrow's news event. But we have 8:30 USD news, 3 p.m. USD news, and 4 p.m. GBP news. So make sure to keep those times in mind. If you don't know exactly how high impact news works or how to go about trading high impact news days, make sure to check out my how to trade news playlist. I got a bunch of examples breaking down trades I took on news event days, as well as videos going over the rules I use to go about trading on high impact news days. Make sure to check out the other playlists as well. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal and free Telegram. If you want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram and Telegram. I respond to all messages. You already know. If y'all interested in how to identify these levels, signal services, or mentorship program, all are in the description. And we'll be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 a.m. EST.